Hey guys, what is happening? Vimal here, back with a new video. A lot of people keep looking to buy like good quality wireless gaming peripherals, right? Either it be like a headphone or even a keyboard as well. That too at a reasonable budget price tag. You people came to the right video. So today I got my hands on some brand new gaming peripherals from Dawg, and in case if you guys remember, couple of months back I've already made like a dedicated gaming PC build using this particular brand's components, right? It was a full-on high-tech and futuristic sort of design. So the same brand Dawg has launched like new gaming peripherals as well, and I got my hands on like a new gaming headphones and also a keyboard as well. If you talk about the headphones, model is called as Headbug G60, and this is a wireless gaming headphones featuring like a 40 drivers on board. You're getting flexi mic, RGB lighting is also there, built-in battery, and supports dual mode connectivity. If you talk about the keyboard, that is a 75% compact mechanical gaming keyboard with full-on RGB lighting and comes with Dawg's Glacier switches, guys, that are also like hot swappable. So I'm like very excited to unbox and check out their quality, performance and everything. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now to make this video more interesting, what I'll do is, if this video crosses like 3000 likes, I will literally give away this brand new wireless gaming headset from Dawg to one lucky subscriber on the channel. The headset is a premium quality headset, guys, costing around 3000. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to like this video and definitely comment down below, because I'll be picking the winner randomly from the comment section in this video only, guys. And that is pretty much it. Let's get started. So boys, our brand new gaming peripherals from Dawg came in this sort of packaging. We have both the items over here, gaming headset as well as the mechanical keyboard also. So we'll be going through them one by one. First, let's talk about the headset. So headset came in this sort of packaging. You've got a picture of the product as well. Model mentioned over here, which is Headbug G60. And going to the backside here, you can check out all of its main highlights and features. I've told you, right, this is a wireless gaming headset that offers like dual connectivity features, comes with like flexi mic, RGB lighting is also there, and plenty of interesting features. We'll talk about all of them once we get started with the unboxing. As soon as you open it, at the top side you get some paperwork and also some stickers. Just have a look at them, and there you go, boys. Here's our brand new gaming headset, the Headbug G60, in this beautiful black and red color. Let me just take it out and show you. Oh wow, look at that beauty. We'll come back to the headset in a moment, guys, and talk about the whole design, features and everything. Keeping this aside, let's also unbox the mechanical keyboard. This is called as the Highkey 718, and this is basically like a 75% compact mechanical keyboard that also offers like hot swappable key switches. Literally features their in-house Glacier switches, and I'm like very excited to see how do they perform and what sort of experience and feedback you can get. At the backside, you can check out the whole keyboard layout, construction and all of its features mentioned. Quickly unboxing it. At the top side, our brand new gaming mechanical keyboard comes nicely packed over here. Let me just take it out and show you. As I've told you, it's a 75% 10 keyless keyboard, right? So that makes it like quite compact and easy for gamers. Anyways, here's our very first hands-on and impressions of the keyboard, and oh wow, just like the headset, here also you're getting a beautiful sporty sort of color scheme with the Dawg branding mentioned, guys. Keeping that aside, in the package you're also getting some paperwork. Just make sure to read that, and some spare mechanical switches are also included, Dawg's Glacier mechanical switches, and that is pretty much it. These are all the items you got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the items, and first of all start off with the headphone. The Headbug G60 from Dawg is a wireless gaming headset and has a beautiful look and feel. I mean, check it out. You're getting an all black design with red accents here and there, and obviously Dawg logo on the ear cups. Quality of the materials used is also nice. They're made of like polycarbonate material, and you're getting steel frame construction on the headband, guys. And despite being wireless, it's actually not that heavy. Roughly weighs around like 252 grams. Talking about the adjustability, the headphones are actually foldable, guys, just like this. You can easily take them around, put them in your backpack, not an issue at all. On top of that, the length of the headband is also easily adjustable as per your requirement. Though swivel movement is not available over here, but that's okay, it'll get your job done. There is nothing on the right ear cup. All the controls are present on the left side only, very easily accessible. You've got a USB-C port for charging, mic mute function is there, a couple of buttons like power button, volume up and down, and let me tell you, quality of the buttons is also nice. Coming to the ear cups, you're getting soft and cushiony ear pads, that too with a breathable fabric sort of material. And if you'd ask me, right, for our Indian climate sort of weather, this is actually most preferable. There is not much of padding on the headband though, but the frame used over here is lightweight, so it doesn't put a lot of stress on your head. Not to miss out, yes, you're also getting a microphone on this model for voice chat, fully flexible in any sort of position, guys, along with a status ring light. So I've been using this headset over the past week and had a great experience while gaming. On board board you're getting 40mm neodymium drivers, and let me tell you, audio quality was actually pretty good for the price, especially the mids, vocals, dialogue quality, everything felt crisp and clear. I could easily hear and understand all sorts of vocals no matter what sort of content I was watching, either it be like media consumption or even while gaming as well. Treble quality was also fine, and coming to the bass was also good, especially in like intense action scenes like a lot of gunfiring happening or bomb blastings, right? Drivers were producing a decent punch with dynamic low frequency response. The studio width separation and sound stage was also great, and because of which you can easily identify the direction of enemy footsteps or their movements, and you could easily track them, guys. That was the main thing. And if you ask about the overall output, audio output was also loud and satisfactory on this model. I was mostly using it in the 2.4G wireless mode only, because in this mode it will offer you like very minimum latency, guys, only around like 20 milliseconds, which can be great for online or esports auto gaming. Apart from that, yes, it does support Bluetooth connectivity option. And if you ask about the overall comfort experience, I've told you, right, you're getting like soft and squishy ear cups, and even on longer sessions also, overall comfort experience was nice. I didn't face any sort of fatigue even for longer sessions, 1 to 2 hours of gaming sessions as well. So keeping the headset aside, let's actually move on and talk about the keyboard. The Dawg Highkey 718 is a 75% compact wireless mechanical RGB gaming keyboard, and damn, I have to say that is one beautiful looking design. I mean, check it out, you're getting a similar black and red color scheme just like the previous headset, very sporty looking design with the Dawg branding. If you ask about the build quality, good build quality, entirely made of like polycarbonate material, and when you actually hold it in the hand, right, the keyboard feels solid and durable. And not to miss out, you're getting like a metal volume control knob with RGB illumination at the top right corner. Now going to the top side here, you can check out that the keyboard actually has a cutout to place your USB dongle. Most of these keyboards do not have this cutout, and because of that I've actually lost USB dongles, so I definitely appreciate this gesture. To the right side here, you'll find a USB-C port and a power on off switch is also there. Unfortunately, only thing missing over here was the keyboard doesn't have any angle adjustment kickstands. Anyways, moving on, let me tell you about the mechanical switches and keycap quality used on this model. On board you're getting Dawg's very own Glacier switches, and best part is they're pre-lubed and also hot swappable. Not to miss out, quality of the keycaps used is also very nice. You're getting double shot PBT keycaps. I'll come there and definitely share my experience about the whole switches and also the keyboard comfort experience in a moment. Keeping that aside, first of all, let me tell you, this keyboard actually comes with like a 5-layer sound dampening design with multi-foam layers in between the construction. This will help you greatly reduce any sort of vibrations or unnecessary noise while using. So end result is you'll only get like pure click sound. I've been using the keyboard for the last couple of days on both my PC and laptop, playing variety of games and also a bit of content creation as well. And the keyboard does support tri-mode connectivity. You can connect via Bluetooth option or even using its USB dongle in 2.4G wireless mode for ultra low latency. And in case if your battery runs out, nothing to worry about, it does support wired mode connectivity also. And as I've told you at the beginning, I've been using it for variety of things, gaming, content creation, a bit of text editing, and had a really comfortable overall experience. The Highkey 718 comes with Dawg's Glacier switches that offer a tactile feedback with a smooth sort of operation, and actually feels quite nice while typing. See, the whole experience is like very similar to your blue switches. They offer a tactile and clicky feedback with a nice torque. So especially if you're like an editor, or maybe you type a lot, maybe you're like into content creation, right, and you want a keyboard that'll offer like a solid click feel when you're typing, this could actually be great for you. Just check out this clip, you'll get an idea on the key switches sound. Not to forget, you're also getting like fully customizable RGB lighting effects as well, and quality of the LEDs used is nice. They're bright, colorful, and offer a seamless transition. And as I've told you, yes, it is fully customizable on the go or even using Dawg software. Last but not the least, if you ask about the battery life, on board you're getting 4000 mAh battery, and battery life can actually depend on the user, guys. See, if you're constantly using the keyboard, that too with RGB lighting set to maximum brightness, that too every day, then you'll roughly get around like 25 to 30 days. But if you're a moderate sort of user and you also turn off RGB lighting when not in use or not required once in a while, then you can actually squeeze out the battery life to get around like 40 to 45 days. Well, that is pretty much it, boys. This is what I wanted to show you all. Our video on Dawg's new gaming peripherals, the Headbug G6T and Highkey 718 mechanical gaming keyboard. Really good quality products. Value for money is what I can say. The headset roughly costs around 3,599 rupees, while the keyboard costs you around like 4,299 rupees. accessories. I'll leave links for them in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.